terms related to, let us see, terms related to, terms related. Okay, first we'll see convex lens. Right, convex lens. Right, this is a convex lens. So middle part is thicker, edge is thinner. Right, so if you see them, this curvature, especially this particular curvature, if this curvature, this curvature is resembling a different circle. Can I draw a circle like this? This is a different circle with a center. Okay, and this curvature, for this curve we can draw one more circle like this, right, with a center C. Okay, this center will be C1. Okay, this is C2. Okay, the line which is passing through the center is called as principal line. You can call it as principal axis. So in the principal axis, whenever light passes through the principal axis, it will go undeviated. Light ray passing through principal axis is undeviated. Okay, it will go without deviating. Right, this is, so the length from here to here, the radius of the circle is, circle C1 is R1. Okay, the radius of this circle from O to C2 is R2. Okay, right, fine. Okay, so let us give the terminology. Right, C1 comma C2 is center of yeah, yeah, this one. Right, first of all, we need to draw a convex lens. Okay, so with respect to this curvature, we draw one reference circle. Okay, to understand it better. Okay, for curvature 2, we have drawn one more circle with respect to curvature 2. Okay, and each circle has its own respective center C1 and C2. Right, the joining point, the midpoint, the where this is called as geometric point, we call it as geometric point O. This is the point where optic center lies. O is the optic center or geometric point. Optic center or geometric point. Okay, so the line passing through this center C1, C2 and O is called as principal axis. Okay, principal line or principal axis. Principal axis. So principal axis is where light ray passing through the principal axis is undeviated. Okay, any doubt? This is the terminology. Okay, so further as we go, we can understand. Okay, next. No, now we see in the, what is the first classification? Convex lens and concave lens. What is the first type we have seen? Hmm. Bi or equiconvex lens. Whether it is bi or equi is decided by the R1 and R2. Okay, these distances. Okay, if these distances are equal, okay, then it is called as equi. When R1 is equals to R2, okay, that is called as equiconvex. Okay, if this R1 is not equal to R2, then it is called as biconvex. Okay, now you understand the difference. Now you understood? Yes. Bi and equiconvex means when the, that means what? It won't be symmetry. If R1 equals to R2, this convex lens will be in a symmetric manner. Both sides it will be okay equal. But if it is different, then the curvature also slightly change. It will be biconvex. So that is one of the other thing. So this principal axis we can represent it by xy. Principal axis. You note it down. It is very important. Uh,